Welcome to everyone. Myself, Professor K.V. Kushare in Mechanical Engineering Department from Radhasri Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Last lecture, we understand and discuss on the topic of staffing. What is the staffing and what is the function? That is the requirement, manpower, then the trainings. That is the points of a stapling. Okay, today we discuss the what is the important staffing function. The optiming of resources in change, cooperative image, job satisfaction. Then employees are the most important resource of any organization. The right staff is very important for a company because they can change and they ensure the organization success. Means in a staffing, and the fourth point is very important in any organization. The right staff is very important to for a company because they can change and ensure the organization success. There is coordination can be management of interdependence in any work situation. We discuss some other points of a staffing function. They work should be start early stage, then the coordination should be continuous process. There are some techniques like rules, procedure, policy, planning, direct contact, induction committee, then the incentive. That is the point of the staffing function. There are some other points we discuss. Okay, they are not in this slide. Their point do not give in this slide. We discuss the other points related staffing. First, like your rules, procedure, policies, planning, then direct contact, community, induction, then workflow. There are other types of staffing function like internal, external, vertical, horizontal, then the substitutive. That is the types of the staffing. Then some coordination is done among like employees of the same department, worker and manager, then branch office, then different plants, customer, supply, government, outsider, and different departments. We take an example different department like your manufacturing department, maintenance department, financial department, purchase department, sale department, marketing department. They are the your department. They are divided in some division. That is means the staffing function. Okay, we discuss the next function of management is directing. What is the directing? Is a process in which the manager instruct, guide, and overview the performance of the worker to achieve the goal company. Okay, means the after plan have been made and the organization has been established and stopped. The next step is directing. Okay, directing can be called as leading, motivating, and actuating. It's a simple thing. Directing means leading, motivating means leading, motivating, and actuating, and so on. Okay, the directing involved there are some function like it's included the function like leadership, communication, motivation, and supervision. That is the including function are the leadership, communication, and supervision. Directing is the costing, production, and analysis. That is 3 points very important to any organization, any company or industry. How to industry goals and how to get direction to increase our organization and our goals. Okay, we discuss one by one. The point of function is leadership. Leadership, it is the quality of manager to inspire the confidence and trust in his subordinate means like your employees or assistant manager, other manager, and your employees get maximum cooperation from them and guide their activity to create any organization efforts. Can define process by which manager guide to employ how to work and do not get any error in any production. They have a 40% error like any employees to how to decrease this error to guide manager to do employee to guide and how to error we minimize. Okay, that is the leader. Who is leader? The manager is a leader to guide, manager guide to our subordinate like your worker. Then second one is communication. It is process of passing information and understanding from one person to another person. It is a very simple things. Means pass understand. Then information. Have any person manager have more information related work this work they have understand, and the manager is circulating the information to the subordinate like your worker. Effective communication system in the organization because backbone of coordination means idea are transferred and transmitted, received and understood by the other for producing desired result like your worker. It may be verbal or writing orders, reports, instruction, etc. Who is given this verbal or writings? The manager, like orders, reports, instruction, etc. In ineffective communication leads to confusion, misunderstanding, and dissatisfaction. They have no communication transfer from one person to another person, like your manager to subordinate. Then the ineffective communication leads to what's confusion, misunderstanding, and creating a dissatisfaction. That is the importance. Okay, then another one is the motivation. Motivation means inspiring the subordinate to do work or to achieve the company objective effectively. Then next one is a supervision. Supervision is a necessary to ensure that work is going on as per established plan and their worker are doing work as they were directed to. That is the supervision. Okay, we discuss directing. What is the points? Costing, production analysis. This is the depend on the directing. Then given some function, leadership, communication, motivation, and supervision. Okay, we take another function of management is the controlling. Controlling is the manager should be ensure that everything occurs as a per plan made. When work divert from the standard, then controlling is a very much required. Okay, means it's a continuous process which measure the current performance and guide it toward the predetermined goals. This process help the manager evaluate the company performance and know whether any change is needed. There are some given a controlling involve the following step like setting up or establishment of standard, measuring the actual performance, comparing the actual performance with the establishment standard. Then fourth one is take corrective action if needed. Then some other point is like establishing standard of performance we taken, measuring current performance, then comparing it against established standard. It is a necessary and important function of because in its absence there is a no objective which have set will be achieved. The management may go on a committee mistake without knowing them, control force even to compel to plan. That is the controlling step. That is a controlling step. They like controlling help in a comparing actual performance we discuss, then controlling find out and correct deviation from the standard. The major contribution of controlling is a completion goal and objective of the organization. There are some motivation and function also depend on the controlling. Means motivation is a force that cause any individual to behave in the specific way. It is very difficult to motivate any employees for doing work and produce the best result for the organization. The given function of motivation. Motivation keeps employee motivated and get going. Employee remains satisfied as they get they have deserved because of enough promotion, then try to give their 100% to the organization. Motivate employee can be contribute in any innovation in production with maximum efficiency. Okay, that is the point of function of management is controlling, how to control our our establish or organization, and what is the function we perform on this organization. Okay, we cover the controlling point of function of management. Thank you so much.